Module Overview. In this critical module, you will delve into the core structural components of medical terminology. Just like words in the English language are built from alphabets and syllables, medical terms are constructed using consistent building blocks: root words, prefixes, suffixes, and combining vowels. Once you master these elements, you can break down, construct, interpret, and accurately use thousands of medical terms, even those they've never seen before. 1. Root words, word roots. The core component of every medical term, it conveys the essential meaning, typically referring to a body part, system, or structure. Examples: cardi equals heart, cardiology, cardiomegaly, gaster equals stomach, gastritis, gastrectomy, newer equals nerve, neurology, neuralgia. One term may have more than one root, e.g., arthritis equals bone plus joint plus inflammation. 2. Prefixes. Located at the beginning of a medical term. Describe location, time, number, status, or direction. Not all medical terms have prefixes. Examples: hypo equals below/under equals hypoglycemia. Brady equals slow equals bradycardia. Tachy equals fast equals tachypnea. Pre equals before equals prenatal. 3rd, suffixes. Found at the end of medical terms. Indicate procedure, condition, disorder, or disease. Every medical term must have a suffix. Examples: ites equals inflammation, arthritis, ectomy equals surgical removal, appendectomy, logy equals study of, dermatology, algia equals pain, neuralgia. 4. Combining vowels and combining forms. Combining vowels, often an O, are used to connect roots and suffixes or multiple roots. Prevents difficult pronunciation. Example: Arthur O plus dash, plasty equals arthroplasty, joint plus surgical repair, gaster, O plus enter, O plus dash, itis equals gastroenteritis, stomach plus intestine plus inflammation. The combination of the root and vowel is called a combining form. Cardio, newer O, gaster O. 5. Word building rules. Rule 1. A combining vowel is used when the suffix begins with a consonant. X. Newer/O plus dash logy equals neurology. Rule 2. A combining vowel is not used when the suffix begins with a vowel. X. Newer plus dashitis equals neuritis. Rule 3. A combining vowel is used when joining two root words, even if the second root begins with a vowel. X. Gaster/O plus enter/O plus dash logy equals gastroenterology. Examples and practice. Word: cardiomegaly. Cardi, heart, plus megaly, enlargement, equals enlargement of the heart. Word: neuroplasty. Neuro, nerve, plus plasty, surgical repair, equals surgical repair of a nerve. Word: hypoglycemia. Hypo, low, plus glyc, sugar, plus emia, blood condition, equals low blood sugar. Learning outcomes for Module 2. By the end of this module, you will be able to identify and define medical root words, distinguish between prefixes, suffixes, and combining vowels, decode and construct complex medical terms using word parts, apply rules of medical word construction in practical settings, understand and interpret terms used in real healthcare documentation,